Welcome. If you've ever wanted to send multiple photos and videos in a single message on Instagram from your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest Instagram update, sharing multiple media files in your chats is easier than ever. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to send multiple photos and videos to your friends or groups directly from your computer. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. If you haven't updated it recently, make sure you're running the latest version to access all the newest features. Once you're inside Instagram, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several icons. Click on the Messages icon, which looks like a speech bubble. This will take you straight to your inbox, where all your conversations are stored. Now scroll through your chats and find the conversation where you want to send your media. Click to open it. At the bottom of the chat window, you'll notice a message bar, and right next to it, there's a small photo icon. Click on this photo icon to start adding your files. A window will pop up, allowing you to browse your computer for photos and videos. Select the first photo or video you want to share, and click Open. But here's the best part. Now with the new update, you can add even more media before sending. Look for the option that says Upload another photo video. Click on it, and you'll be able to choose more photos or videos from your device. Repeat this step for each additional file you want to include. Once you've selected all your media, take a quick look to make sure everything is ready. When you're satisfied, simply click Send. All your chosen photos and videos will be delivered together in one message, making it easy and organized for your recipient. And that's it. Sending multiple photos and videos on Instagram from your PC is now quick, simple, and efficient. Give it a try and make your conversations more vibrant than ever. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.